Hello friends, this is NA Education and NA under this head. This is NA Arts, that section, and we have already learned a lot about card making. Today we are going to learn a new type of card. So for that what you need, this is our A4 size sheet. We fold it like this, half, then whatever is there we again fold it half, and again we fold it like this. We fold two A4 size sheets. These are two sheets. What we will do, we will draw heart on this. Understand? I will show you how to do. Now our sheet is like this. We will keep it like this. Remember that we have to draw the heart from this side like this. You have to draw this, that the folding should be on the down part of the heart. Understand? The folding should have to go to the down side. Don't draw on the edges. So our heart will be like this. We will draw. Understand? This shape will draw the heart on this sheet, and the same way we will draw on this sheet also. Two equal sheets. See, this also, this sheet also, and this sheet also. We will draw on both these sheets the same way. The folding should be on the down side, edges up, and then we will cut it. Two here we will get, two here we will get, two hearts we will get here. Now what we will do, we will keep it one after another. First we will stick this edges, and then we will stick this. So you can use the alternative combination also, one this, whichever you want to keep up. You can keep any two. You want to keep the same color, you can keep same color. You want to use more than 3 4, you can use that. So we are using 3 or 4. You may use more than this. Now we'll stick this edges. See, we are going to stick this edges from inside only up to here. You can mark also, you can without marking also. If you are perfect, you can just stick up to this level. We have to give this part open. Be very careful. So we are using the glue here. We'll stick this. Just little is enough up to here. Then same way up to here. Close it properly. Use the glue like this. Understand? And stick that. Let the glue to dry. Like that, all these 1, 2 and 3 I am keeping one after another. You have to stick in the same way. Now glue here in between. We'll use the glue and we'll stick all these 3. You can use 1 line, you can use 2 line, but don't stick full card. Just glue, stick exactly in the middle, whichever you want. Stick like this perfectly. If there is difference in the edges, no problem. You cut in the end and make the correct size. Understand? Another way, you can use the same color as I told. Just middle, little part, and correctly. Just let it dry properly. Now by the time it is getting dry, the hearts are getting dry, we have taken one square sheet. We fold it like this. 1 fold, 2 fold, 3 fold, and 1 more. And we'll draw a flower and we'll cut. If you are having any ready-made flower, you can use that also. We will cut it from this side. So our flower will also be ready. Cut, and we'll cut from this side. So keep one flower ready. Anyway, you can cut whichever type of flower. If you don't want to use the flower, you can't. It's optional only. So this is a flower. It is ready. We'll stick it this way. Eye is also ready. Just cut one middle leaf and stick it. Like this will stick, and our flower will be ready by the time. This will look like this. Pockets are there. I gave the name pocket flower, pocket card. What we will do, you can keep anything. We are having one A4 size sheet here. This is one A4 size sheet. We fold it. We have to stick it like this. Understand? But before that, what we will do? We were having one more here, leaving. One more folding was remaining. I cut it. When we cut it, we'll get this. Just make it half. The up down part, this part, keep it like this, adjust like this, and stick it here. You will get an envelope shape. Understand? Fix it properly, center to center. Be very careful. You have to fix this line, and if these edges are there, you just cut this edges side if it is not proper. So just fix it properly. Like this will do. Stick like this so that this can be fixed in this. This will look like this. Now the main thing, how do you want to stick? This is the main condition. One condition, you stick it inside the way. In that condition, you can't use this flower here, which I am going to do. I will stick it outside. See, I have written one message, happy birthday. You can write anything, and I will stick this flower here. So my method, I want to stick it outside. I will stick it here. Understand? If you wish, you can stick it inside of this. Got here. Another thing, this, as I told, this is pocket one. It will look like this, all the pockets. So you can keep anything, any message, anything you keep. I make one flower like I did just for it. See, you can keep one message. I have written be happy. We will keep this. You can keep anything inside this. Understand? We can fix like this. It is pocket. You just open it. It will open properly. Don't panic. All these 3-4 pockets are there. You can keep anything in this. So I am going to stick it here. Gum. Just stick it. Hold it for 2 minutes. So finally, pocket card is ready. Thank you. Have a nice day.